Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a very secret recipe of tomato cheese salad. Well, this is a very simple recipe. All you need is some cheese, tomato, pesto sauce and balsamic glaze. Okay, you start with an empty tray and apply pesto sauce all over it. And then you start with taking sliced tomatoes. I have already sliced some tomatoes here. You start to place them little by little. Then you take your cheese slices. Over here we have used cottage cheese, but we prefer to use mozzarella cheese on this cheese salad. So after placing them, you take again your tomato slices and place them one by one, followed by the cottage cheese. So this is a very simple recipe and you can get it ready within minutes. If you have expecting some guest or some family members in your house, this is a very simple recipe. You just need to have all your things ready. Your pesto sauce, your tomato, your cheese, everything is ready. You just slice them up and you place them on your trays, and yeah, there you go. It will be ready in a couple of minutes and your guests are surely going to like it. So this is a very simple recipe. I'm going to fast forward it a bit so that our chef can prepare it. So that's all. Then you continue with dabbing the cheese and tomato with the pesto sauce just to get that nice flavor. Make sure it's properly spread on top of the cheese. So it's almost done. Next thing you take is balsamic glaze and just spread up on top. Please make sure you don't use balsamic vinegar and only use balsamic glaze. And I'm sure this recipe was very easy. Do follow my channel for more such authentic recipes. Thank you.